Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this Kinetic Building System, and Tecti was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, it comes in a really nice box, swings open like this, has your instructions and stuff in here, has a whole bunch of different things that you can build with it. Basically, the way I describe this, it's like an erector set meets like Legos meets like a Lincoln Log set. So overall, it's really, really cool. And if you like any of those, I think you're going to absolutely love this. It would be great for kids and teens as well. So what you're going to get in here is you're going to get these pieces right here, and they just connect together just like this. Boom. Boom, just like that. And you can do these, pretty much as many times as you want. And then you're gonna also have these hinge pieces in here, like this. There you go. And then you have like these static pieces is what they call these ones here. And they go in there just like that. They are a different color. I believe you get 4 of the statics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and show you one more thing that you have in here. So we'll go ahead and attach these ones, and then there we go. All right, so it also comes with this thing here, and at first I was like, what the heck is this? But this here is to like kind of pop in here and help you take these apart in case they get stuck and stuff. Makes it a little bit easier. Boom, right there you go. Just pop it in there, and you can pop them all apart. Boom, right there you go. And then everything just easily fits back in here. Make sure you lay these flat to each other so that they will actually fit in there. It is a nice and snug little fit in there. And then it closes back up, makes it easy to, stow away. And then, like I said, there is so many different things that you can build in here. It has a beginner, intermediate, and then here on this other side, it has more advanced ones that you can do as well. So overall, really cool little building set, kind of like a STEM type thing if you're into that stuff. So yeah, go ahead and check this one out from Tecti.